Your body is whispering, tired after meals, cravings that won't stop, weight that won't move. You're not sick, but you're not well either. This is pre-diabetes, a warning sign, not a life sentence. Ignore it, and it becomes something far worse. But here's the good news. You can reverse it. Not with fear, not with pills, but with Ayurveda, the science of natural balance. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 5 powerful steps rooted in ancient wisdom and backed by modern science to restore your body, regulate your sugar, and reclaim your health naturally. Stay with me. The last step might be the one thing your doctor never told you. Step 1. Wake up and drink this. The healing begins between 5 and 7 a.m. when your body naturally cleanses. Start your day with this powerful Ayurvedic tonic. 1 liter warm water, 1 tablespoon methi, fenugreek, seeds soaked overnight, 1/2 sasam turmeric, 2 drops lemon juice. This simple mix flushes toxins known as ama that block insulin function. It wakes up your liver, boosts digestion, and sets your sugar levels on track. Still reaching for coffee first thing? That's not energy, it's a trap. This is how you truly start your day. Step 2. Ishe, the breakfast rule. Your first meal decides your blood sugar for the whole day. Before 9 a.m., ignite your digestive fire, your Agni, with 2 tsp Karala, bitter gourd, juice, sat plus 1 amla juice, steel cut oats with a pinch of cinnamon. This combo gives slow, steady energy without the spike. Avoid fruit juices, toast, bread, and packaged cereals. They taste healthy, but they hijack your insulin. Bitter is better, because balance begins with what you feed your fire. Step 3. Midday miracle spice. At lunch, when digestion peaks, add this powerful healing duo. 1 koti ESP jamun seed powder, 1 tasp aloe vera gel. According to a 2023 study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, this combination lowers HbA1c, improves glucose control, and supports pancreatic health. Take it with lunch, your biggest meal, for best results. These aren't just herbs, they're natural warriors, working quietly, deeply, and powerfully. Step 4. Dinner deadline. Want better sugar levels in the morning? Start with an early Ayurvedic dinner before sunset. Your healing plate should look like this. 50% bitter greens, karela, methi, spinach. 30% protein, moong dal, paneer. 20% grains, quinoa or red rice. A 2024 study in diabetes care showed that early dinners improve overnight glucose metabolism significantly. Eat late, and your liver sleeps through digestion. Eat early, and your body thanks you all night. Step 5. Sleep hack. Left nostril breathing. Your pancreas heals, not during the day, but during deep, restful sleep. And there's one technique to help that happen naturally. Lie on your right side. Close your right nostril with your thumb and breathe through the left nostril gently for 5 minutes. This is called Chandra Nadi breathing. It activates calm, lowers cortisol, and stabilizes blood sugar during the night. No supplement does that. Only your breath can. Final message. Pre-diabetes is your body asking, will you listen before I scream? These 5 Ayurvedic steps aren't treatments, they're reminders that your body wants to heal. Start today, drink better, eat wiser, breathe deeper, and return to balance, the Ayurvedic way. Because healing isn't just possible, it's waiting for you.